This video compares Penray 4620 brake cleaner to the market leader. Both are VOC compliant formulas with the same 14-ounce fill. The test includes 4 equal dots of red grease. Both brake cleaners are simultaneously applied to grease marks in a continuous stream at an equal distance from the grease dots. Notice the first grease dot on the right is removed almost immediately after only a few seconds of spraying. The market leader on the left does not dissolve the grease as fast as Penray and uses much more product to clean each grease dot. Penray brake cleaner quickly dissolves each grease dot and allows the user to move on to the next mark to keep cleaning. Notice how the third Penray grease dot is almost dissolved while the competitor is still working on the second dot. The market leader runs out of product and cannot finish cleaning off the remaining 2 grease marks, while the Penray brake cleaner keeps on cleaning until all 4 grease marks are cleaned. The test shows the Penray 4620 outperforms the market leader in removing the grease marks more effectively. Penray gets the job done with half the product in half the time. Penray 4620 Non-Chlorinated Brake Cleaner quickly dissolves grease, oil, and other contaminants from brake components. Is an excellent parts cleaner. Cleans without disassembly. Helps stop brake squeaking and can improve braking performance. Leaves no residue. 49 state low VOC formula.